All right, guys, 2016 Ford Camaro. Ford Camaro, that's a new one. 2022 Chevy. 2023 Flowmaster. Haha, that's funny. I didn't know if Flowmaster started making trucks. 1960. All right, guys, 2022. All right, guys, so 2019 V8 VW. 2004 Ram 60 by Chevy. All right, guys, 1980. Oh, wait.
All right, guys, 2016 Audi S6.
All right, guys. 1 second, guys. 2015 GMC Sierra 5.7, 5.3 actually. So you guys heard this every time. It's okay. 2004 VW Golf GTI. What was it? LR6? No, VR6. I don't know why I said LR. I was thinking Land Rover for some reason. Okay, 2004 Flowmaster 40. What is going on? 2024 Toyota Camry 4-cylinder. Is it 4 or 6? Don't know. It's 4-cylinder. All right, guys. So we got this beautiful Chevy. All right, guys. What year is it? I forgot. So as you guys can see on this Silverado Denali or GMC Sierra Denali. Alright, guys. A little bit higher, bro. Actually, yeah. Alright, guys. 2004 or 3.
2014.
Alright, guys. We got a 2024 Acura. Get on it when you leave. Step on it. 1919. So we got a Alfa Romeo, a Barth? A Barth? How do you say it? Not a Alfa Romeo.
I'll see if you can straight pipe it.
So we're thinking about putting it out the hood. What do you guys think?
Maybe single turbo kit right there.
Single turbo, out the hood. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And it has to be this big too, 10 inches. All right. All the exhaust people that have done exhaust to pass by now. All right, girls and fellas and boys and all that. All right, bro. Yeah, he ain't kidding. Look, they just got a hole in it. That's a first for us. Literally got a grinder and cut a hole in it. That is hilarious. Round 2 on this beautiful BMW I ruined it. Round 2 on this beautiful What is? That's it. It's time to go home. Take 3.